Hey guys, how we doing? This week in PE at home, we are going to be doing striking. And here in PE at school, we're going to be doing the same thing. But in PE at school, we're going to be using the ping pong paddles and a ping pong ball, or the pickleball paddle and a ball. So I know that at home, you might not have these. We're going to work on this here at school, and we're even going to work on this, or on the table, where you bounce it on the table and catch. But you might not have this. I do not expect you to go out and buy it, okay? You might not have one of these paddles. So, here's some ways you can make a paddle. I used a plastic spoon, like a serving spoon, and put some tape on a paper plate. And guess what? I can do that with my ping pong ball. But coach, I don't have a ping pong ball. Okay, don't worry about that. Here's a ball, so there's some socks. Okay, I just made it into a nice ball. And I'm still working on the striking motion where I have to use eye-hand coordination and strike with this, but I'm using this. If you have a balloon works awesome. Or even ball up a piece of paper. And you can practice striking and then catching it, okay? Don't have one of these? A piece of cardboard. That will work. Or I even have a clipboard. Okay, so there's lots of things you can use in the striking activities, and what I want you to do is try to set a timer and go for a minute and see how long you can do it without it dropping. Okay, then strike against the wall. Okay, so you're going to have this and you're going to go against the wall and then catch it. And then catch it. You can even catch it between, or you can catch it with your hand. Okay? Those are the two things I want you guys to work on. And if you have a buddy at home or a parent, you can practice striking and then they catch it or they toss it to you and you hit it with your homemade ping pong paddle. So then I want you to show me your homemade ping pong paddles. Okay? Great. Have fun.